Hello friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. Today I am going to show you how to do Jhatpat birthday card. Birthday card. I mean, you have many methods to make, but this is just the Jhatpat way. Like last minute you have to make something fatafat. Okay, so I am going to gallery and opening my gallery. In that I am going into I'm trying to find the birthday girl's photo if I have any. Okay, supposing this girl's birthday is there today. In case this birthday is there today, I will share it to WhatsApp. This is just a jhatpat way, last minute preparation. Now you have to where do you want to share it? Supposing you want to share it to a group or the person directly, just select that person or the group and then press the green arrow down. Okay, I'm just pressing. Okay, wait, don't press the send button, the green button down, don't press that first. Look at the top, there are 4 buttons up which we rarely see otherwise. ऐसे ही हम लोग आंख बंद करके पोज कर देते हैं. Do not pause, first check out these 4 buttons at the top. The first is the crop button. I am tapping on it. I can crop the photo how much I want. Okay, but at present I am cropping only so much. Okay, you can crop from left, right, anywhere, however you feel is right. Okay, and then press the done button. First button was of crop. Second is of the smiley. Tap on the smiley. There are lots of ready-made smileys available in this WhatsApp feature. Okay, now you have to choose any of these. Supposing I am choosing anything with relation to birthday or with the person who's there in the background. Okay, supposing I am choosing this cap, birthday cap. Sorry, this is a Christmas tree. By mistake I have chosen this. So just tap on it, long tap on it, and there is up, you can see there is a recycle bin, dustbin. Just put it in that, it's gone. Again I am tapping on smiley and choosing anything that you want. Say I am choosing the star or the heart. This will come in the center. With the 2 fingers just zoom in or zoom out. Zoom in or zoom out. There is a color bar on the right. Just tap on the color. Okay, just push it with the finger where you want it. Supposing I want to place it here, you can rotate it also. You can move it with both your finger. You can move it and place it where you want, how you want it. Okay, now it is up to your creativity where you want it. I am going to the third button is T. T is text. Tap on T and type happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, now to remove the keyboard, tap in the center of the picture, anywhere in the center of the picture. To come in the center, happy birthday. I don't want in green. The color bar, blue. I am touching on blue, pink, white. Okay, supposing I am liking white. Again with the finger, zoom in, zoom out. Place it where you want it. I want to place it somewhere here. Happy birthday. Okay, and then you have a last button is pen. Tap on the pen and choose the color. Supposing I am choosing pink or blue, just to show you, blue will be noticeable. The pen ka color upar has become blue color now. Now what do I want to? I want to make it little funny. So I am drawing with the finger. Horns I am drawing. Okay. Or I want to give her a necklace or something. Anything that your creativity. Funny or any otherwise. Okay, or I want to give her a big necklace. Anything your creativity. Okay, after I have done this, this is 4 buttons are just a combination. Not necessary you have to draw all of them. You can use just 1 or 2 or all 4, up to you. Okay, after you have completed, still there is a caption down. You can type there happy birthday XYZ, whoever the person is there, and then post. Press the green button down. I'm pressing on that. Now this will go as it is, what I'm seeing now here. So this is how you prepare a Jhatpat birthday card. Jhatpat birthday card. I call it Jhatpat again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You want to know anything more, let me know what you want to learn. In easy way, easy and simple steps, I will show you how to do it. This is just a Jhatpat way. Just try to sending me your samples, whatever you're doing. Your practice work you can send to me. I can correct them or give you more suggestions, creative suggestions. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.